Nobody gave Toyota permission to do this. They did it anyway. This is not a truck. This is not an RV. This is a 12-wheel jet black beast that looks like it just rolled off a military base. But here's the thing nobody talks about. It's what's on the inside that will genuinely change the way you think about what a vehicle can be. And I promise you, when we get to the engine section, you are not going to believe what Toyota put under that hood.
Welcome to Luxury Life USA.
This is the Toyota Black Panther. Before we go inside, take a moment. Just stand here, because this exterior tells you everything about what Toyota was thinking. 12 wheels, 6 on each side, jet black armor plating on every single panel, bolted, reinforced, sealed. And those rims, solid gold, black and gold. That contrast isn't an accident. That is the Black Panther's identity, hard on the outside. And whatever is on the inside, trust me, you're not ready. Look at that roof, a full expedition rack loaded with hard-shell tactical cases from front to back. And right there, a satellite dish. Because wherever this machine stops, you still have full connection. The middle of the Rockies, the edge of the Mojave, a cliff in Montana, still connected. That full-width LED light bar turns a pitch-black trail into broad daylight. Heavy-duty winch, gold recovery hooks, reinforced steel bumper, and right there on the front, Black Panther, in gold. This machine doesn't ask for your attention, it just takes it. Now, before we step inside, I need to show you something. Most people see a vehicle like this and assume it stays on the highway. That is not what this machine was built for. Cliff edges, narrow mountain passes, thousands of feet down on both sides. The Black Panther doesn't slow down, it doesn't hesitate, it doesn't flinch. 12 military-spec off-road tires, all 12 engaged, all 12 gripping, power going to every wheel in real time. Sand, rock, mud, snow, completely irrelevant. This machine was engineered to go where no road exists, and then park there and become your home. Let's start up front. Slide into the driver's seat, premium dark leather, gold contrast stitching on every seam. Deep side bolstering built for drives that last 12 hours, and you step out feeling completely fine. 2 screens in front of you, a primary command touchscreen controlling terrain modes, climate, navigation, and vehicle systems. A secondary screen showing real-time GPS. A full digital instrument cluster. Clean, sharp, everything you need. At night, the amber ambient lighting wrapping the dashboard turns this cockpit into something that feels like the bridge of a warship. Calm, controlled, capable of anything. And the windshield in front of you becomes your cinema screen. Mountains rolling past at 70 miles an hour while you sit in leather, climate-controlled, completely at home. But the real story begins the moment you step out of that seat and walk into the back. Now stop and really look at what you're seeing. Royal blue velvet sofas, gold trim along every edge, dark walnut wood paneling from floor to ceiling, a black marble coffee table, a flat-screen television mounted flush into the wall, blue LED lighting running the entire length of the cabin. This is not a vehicle interior trying to look like a living room. This is a living room. A Manhattan penthouse moving down a highway at 70 miles an hour. The walls are fully sound insulated. You cannot hear the engine. You cannot hear the road. Just silence and comfort. And then your eyes move toward the center of the room, and you notice something nobody expects. A spiral staircase inside a motorhome leading upward. Because the Toyota Black Panther isn't 1 floor, it's 2, an entire second level above the main cabin. Its own seating, its own lighting, its own world. Stand up here and look down at the living room below, and ask yourself when the last time was that a vehicle made you feel like this. No other manufacturer attempted this. Toyota didn't announce it. They didn't ask permission. They just built it. Walk through to the bedroom. A king-size bed dominates the room. Behind it, a hand-tufted royal blue velvet headboard stretches across the wall. Warm brass sconces glow on both sides. Black marble nightstands sit beside the bed. Walnut cabinetry lines the upper walls. This is not a bunk bed, not a fold-out. This is a full master suite. Inside a machine that just crossed a Rocky Mountain trail 2 hours ago. Look out the window beside the bed. The sun's setting over land that stretches for miles. No checkout time, no reservations. No one telling you when to leave. Or maybe it's Sunday afternoon. Feet up, remote in hand, watching the game on the wall-mounted television. You're not staying in a hotel, you're home. The bathroom continues the same level of luxury. Dark marble throughout, gold fixtures everywhere, a full-size rain shower with real space and real pressure. You could be 100 miles from the nearest town and still shower like you're in a 5-star resort. No compromises, not even here. And then there are moments like this. The Black Panther parked directly on a beach. Not a parking lot near a beach, the actual sand. 12 wheels, ocean breeze, nowhere to be. An awning deploys in seconds, creating an outdoor living space. A snooker table outside, the ocean behind it, or a canyon road with a river 1,000 feet below. The Black Panther crosses it like it was nothing. But now we need to talk about what actually powers this machine. Because what Toyota put under that hood, nothing could have prepared me for this. I saved this deliberately because I needed you to understand the weight first. 2 full floors, a living room, a bedroom, a kitchen, a bathroom, 12 massive wheels, armor plating everywhere. Toyota looked at all of that and said one thing: we need a V16. 16 cylinders, twin turbocharged, built exclusively for the Black Panther. No other vehicle on Earth uses this engine. More than 2,000 horsepower, more than 2,500 pound-feet of torque. For perspective, a typical pickup truck produces around 400 pound-feet of torque. The Black Panther produces more than 6 times that, which means steep mountain grades don't slow it down. All 12 wheels working together, receiving power, gripping rock, sand, mud, and snow. And this 2-story home on wheels simply climbs. Smooth, effortless, unstoppable. Most vehicles run 4 cylinders. Performance cars run 8. Supercars run 12. Because anything less would have been an insult to everything built above it. So what does something like this actually cost? The Toyota Black Panther starts at $850,000. Before that number surprises you, think about what it actually buys. A private jet costs 3 times that and can only take you to airports. A super yacht costs 10 times that and spends most of its life sitting in a marina. But this takes you to places neither of them can reach. A canyon no plane can land in. A beach no yacht can park on. A mountain view that belongs only to you. $850,000 for a machine that goes everywhere, does everything, and never asks you to lower your standards. But the V16 isn't the point. The 2 floors aren't the point. The price isn't the point. The point is waking up on a Tuesday morning on a beach that took you 3 days to find. The point is standing in front of a view so beautiful that you simply go quiet. The point is realizing the best years of your life aren't behind you. They're parked outside, on 12 wheels, waiting. You spent years building something, a career, a life, a standard you never compromised on. You didn't do all of that to spend your freedom in crowded airports or identical hotel rooms. You did it to live on your terms, your schedule, your pace, your destinations. The Toyota Black Panther doesn't just offer you a vehicle, it offers you a life that most people spend their whole lives wishing they had. Jet black armor, gold rims, 2 floors, 12 wheels, a V16 with over 2,000 horsepower, a home that goes anywhere. This is not a motorhome. This is what freedom actually looks like. Drop one word in the comments, the first word that came to your mind when you saw this, and subscribe to Luxury Life USA.